Hi and hello. If you're following the YouTube channel and if you have looked at market updates for yesterday, we had a negative view on Bank Nifty and we were expecting 18,250 to 300 to be acting as resistance, and this is exactly what happened today. From 250, 300, we were expecting the market to test around 18,100 to 18,150 to be tested. I think today the closing is around 18,100. Expiry levels that means for today, 18,000 to 18,300 was a expiry range that we expected. So 300 was a resistance, and we somewhere closed around 18,100. Bank Nifty was relatively stronger for a couple of reasons. If you watch the video, you'll understand why I said Bank Nifty was a little stronger. We were expecting 44,000 to be resistance, and support was 43,500. We saw market rallying towards 44,000, struggle there, and then we saw a dip towards 43. 1,600, 700 level. So basically, Bank Nifty was bullish sideways. That is exactly what happened today. And for today's action, what I'm expecting on Bank Nifty or Nifty? That means for tomorrow, what I'm expecting. Quickly take a look at what is happening in Nifty. Nifty is trading below the short-term moving average. This divergence we were discussing from a couple of days. This divergence is proving to be true. So this correction is absolutely expected. And our market closed consistently 2 days below this short-term moving average on a daily chart. If I look at a weekly chart quickly, week is yet to complete, so tomorrow would be crucial. So mostly a bearish pattern in formation on weekly chart. If market closes tomorrow below yesterday's or last week's closing or low, low was 18,100. So if we see closing tomorrow below 18,100, this becomes an officially a bearish engulfing pattern on a weekly chart after quite a long time at resistance with RSI 60 resistance. So basically, weekly also turn into be negative provided tomorrow we close lower. So long-term trend at resistance, bearish engulfing pattern is in formation on weekly. Intermediate trend on daily charts, trading below 9-period moving average or the short-term moving average. So we expect further sell-off towards maybe this, but it takes quite a long time to reach that place. But in the short term, what is that can be expected? That we look at from a lower time frame, like hourly chart. So we were expecting this long-term moving average to act as a resistance. A change of polarity was explained yesterday in yesterday's video. So change of polarity worked to be true. So now what we are looking at, so long-term or a trend line is also broken now, and the new trend line is in the formation. So as long as the price stays below this trend line, we expect the market to be bearish. Unfortunately, today the closing is at the low and also at the low of yesterday. So basically, we're at support area. So any shorting opportunity at support area would be little difficult because the risk to reward is not favorable to short immediately. So what I expect is a small recovery towards 18,200. So today the high was 18,300, low was around 18,100. So 200 point sell off. So I would take 50% of it. That means 18,200. So if any rally towards 18,200 happens tomorrow morning, that should be a very good opportunity to create a short position. Why we don't create short position immediately is because we are at support and RSI and lower time frames, like hourly is close to 33, 32, 33. So it is little oversold and the risk reward is not very, very favorable. So 18,200 is a very good location to create a short position again tomorrow morning if we get an opportunity. And from the option data, what is option data telling for the monthly expiry? Where is the highest open interest on the call side is sitting around 18,200. So 50%, more than 60-70% of the positions got built up today. So 51 lakh positions built up at 18,200 calls. So 200 should be resistance for tomorrow. Where is the highest put open interest for expiry, which is sitting at 54 lakhs at 18,000. So was there unwinding today at 18,000? No, there was an addition at 18,000. So put writers at 18,000 are still confident to defend that position. So 18,000 should be a short-term support as far as option data is concerned. Resistance for immediate tomorrow, 18,200 should be a resistance. Technically, 200, 250 is a resistance. Data-wise, 200 is a resistance. So any rally towards 200, 250 should be a very good opportunity to create a short position for a target of 18,050 to 18,000 levels. That is what I'm expecting on Nifty. So that's it about Nifty. And if we take a look at Bank Nifty, we were expecting the market to be sideways to bullish. And take a look at this. Yesterday, market rallied from the previous support. This rally was very important because this rally created a low or a high, which is lower than the previous year. So we are looking at lower high in a hourly chart. So that should be a critical resistance for us tomorrow. If I go a little more further down into 15-minute charts, you will clearly see the resistance is around 43,900. So any rally towards 43,900 should be a very good shorting opportunity for a target of 43,700. And then if market further drops, 43,500. So basically, Bank Nifty slightly stronger than compared to Nifty because Bank Nifty has not broken the long-term moving average on lower time frames. Even on daily time frames, Bank Nifty has not broken the short-term moving averages. That means market are still holding above the short-term moving average, though there is a divergence. So basically, there's a momentum loss, but there is no quick sell-off in Bank Nifty that has been suggested on the charts as of now. So I expect Bank Nifty to be sideways to bullish, and any rally, since the high that was created today is lower than the previous high, so I'm expect with divergence in place and RSI struggling to cross 60. So all these things are telling me that it is for now, for a very short term, it will be a sell on rally. Where do we sell? 43,900 levels is a very good opportunity to create a short position in Bank Nifty. Nifty 18,200 levels is a very good location to create a short for further sell off towards 43,500 on Bank Nifty and 18,000 in Nifty. So quickly, if I summarize what is to be expected for the day, for tomorrow, this is what I would insist. So Nifty bearish view, since market is at support, risk reward not favorable for short. Any bounce to 200 could be a shorting opportunity. Support is at 18,050 to 18,000. Remember, 18,000 put traders are still intact. They have not unwound today. They are still holding, or they wrote today also. That means there is some confidence from the put traders at 18,000 levels. Resistance, there is a huge amount of rating at 200, 250. Technically, 250 is a resistance. In terms of data, 200 is a resistance. So 200, 250 should be a very good level to create shorts for the target of 18,050 to 18,000 levels. That's the view of Nifty. Bank Nifty, sideways to bullish view. Any rally towards 43,800 to 43,900 is a good shorting opportunity. That should be resistance. 44,000 to 900 should be a good resistance. And support is 43,500. So that is an immediate target for us. So basically, short on rally view is working out fine for the last couple of days. No immediate shorts. Wait for a small pullback like what happened today and then create a short position so that risk reward is in your favor. Thank you so much. Keep following me on Twitter and Telegram and YouTube so that you will get daily updates like this every day. Thank you so much.